What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a little unboxing for you guys because I'm still waiting for the big statues to arrive. Received like weeks ago, but I don't have time to unbox. It looks great. I know not many people still watching Bleach or reading Bleach, but he is one of my favorite manga or anime today. I hope one day that they will start, doing the last chapter in the manga animated. So, let's see, here's the box. Very light because it's really small. There we go. Here's the base. Simple. Here's the two lines that represent the second squad. Nothing big or major about it. And here's the nameplate. It's in Japanese, so I don't think I can read that, but it's just say like Captain of Hotel 13 Squad, second captain or whatever. And I have number 113 out of 200. As you guys can see, I said this as two lines that represent second squad. Pretty good detail. Small. She's like a short person. There's the body. And here's the face. It doesn't zoom like this. So if you go far like this. Pretty good. The sword goes like this. Now that's done, let me show you guys some close-up look of her. Here's the base. And here's the nameplate. As you can see, I have number 113 out of 200. And pretty good detail for a small statue. Okay, there you guys have it. She's in with the other captain. They look awesome together, in my opinion. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I have a few more unboxing big statues coming up sometime next week, or I think so. So keep an eye out for that, and as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.